Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO Access Control system. In this video, we will be looking at creating a new door in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the new door will belong to. Navigate to the Sites menu option in the top bar. Click on the icon in the Doors column. Then, select New from the left-hand side menu. Populate at least the mandatory fields by entering the details of your new door, like name, the controller that will control it, and the port ID it will be wired into. Watch out for future videos on how to add CCTV cameras. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. You can now find your new door in the list of doors for this site and come back here anytime to edit its details. That's it. Your new door is now set up. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.